and welcome everybody, Sunny here, Gandhiji.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reinvest your dividends. So if you've got dividends that you've earned, you'll see them here in your combined dividends. You can see here there's 0.2 Ethereum at the moment, which is 5.55 USD. And we want to reinvest these dividends so that we get more IND tokens. So if you'll just take note, 3235 IND tokens at the moment. What we're going to do is find this button at the bottom that says reinvest. Click on the reinvest button and it will bring up a pop-up. Sometimes you need to click at the top here. We're just going to make sure that the gas fee is set to an average. Click save and confirm that transaction. So we'll keep an eye out here. Once this transaction is confirmed, we will see that our dividends will be gone, but we will have more IND tokens that will be purchased through the reinvest. Let's keep an eye on that and we'll see that go through in a moment. So you can see now the dividends have gone and we've got extra tokens for those dividends in our balance there. That's it for this video, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.